Hey guys, it's Lester again. Back with another video. Uh, Today's now part 5, I believe. Yeah, part 5. As you can tell, there's already some things I've done, but for now we're gonna hide them. You can see it by the sprites. There's a lot of there's a lot of new sprites over here. I should probably change this. Alrighty. Yeah, you can tell we got a lot of crap going on. But for now, let me show you what I did off camera for like the 2 days I didn't record. We're here in new game. I fixed some bugs that were, you know, bugging me. Also, we have a power system now. I'm gonna fancy it up later, but for now, check this out. Yeah, so it goes down. We can now enter the storage, whereas we're gonna find our batteries. And once you click on this thing, you can exit out, I believe, yeah. And yeah, see, that works. So now we've got an implemented power mechanic. I was able to fix a slight glitch that was going on with camera change. Okay, yeah, so you could still hold it down. That bugs it. Not fun. I don't know why I would take this, guys, but for like an hour or two straight, I've tried to figure out why sometimes the camera static wouldn't show up when he moved. Like he'd move into this room and no camera static, dude. That messed with me so much, and all of a sudden it decides to work. Okay, it just chooses to wait. Oh crap, where is he? As you can tell, cameras somehow managed to mess themselves up again. Oh yeah, I forgot I disabled these guys for a bit while testing this dude. Oh, that's fun, I suppose. Why is it doing that? Let me see. Seems like because of this. Alright, let's try this again. Once again, me and Cartoon Kid are disabled right now, just testing this guy to see why he wouldn't, like, do the camera change. It upset me so badly. Now it just decides to work, because, why not? I don't know why it does that. The camera is just so fragile. It's actually upsetting. Oh, by the way, guys, I think I got a good type of consistency upload idea. So, I'll try to record a video one time a day for like weekends, like one video per day on weekends or anytime I just don't have school. And try to make videos during school, depending on how much work I have in school, my mood, stuff like that. But maybe it's like an on and off thing, like every other day for weekdays. Although that consistency broke when I didn't do anything on Friday, but we're just not gonna talk about that. I I was just trying to do things off camera because I know it would have been even more boring compared to some of the other videos on here, like the hour and 30 minutes of just me trying to animate. Speaking of which, I need to do that. I need to finish that thing. But check this out with the power. There's like a variable that's going down right now. I want the power to go down quickly. I just feel like I want that to be part of the game. And now it's empty. Add in here. Click on this thingy. Say hi to my Yusuf. We get the hell out of here. And boop. Full power. And there he is. Alright, as promised, I want to dedicate this episode to working on my Yusuf. The only reason I hadn't uploaded yesterday is because I wanted to add stuff that would be needed first before working on them, because as you can see, I added the storage with the batteries so that you can recharge your power, and you can see that he's in that room, and that's going to be for a reason. Alright, and as you can see here, it's completely, it may or may not be a tiny bit obvious, just a tiny bit, but he's gonna infect your cameras using a virus, and you're gonna have to delete them. These were little concepts I was working on before. Oh, wait, let me show you the concept I had for the power stuff, because I remember working on that. Yeah, we had a battery test thingy right here, where I was just like trying to make it work, and this was the end result, and I just kind of yoinked some of the code and put it into Five Nights at Friend Circle. So yay, I guess. That's some progress. Alright, let me pull up taskboard. Okay. Make a power mechanic. That was already done. Make you be able to enter storage. Yeah, those are two of the main things I did. Sweet. Add my use virus. Now that's something we're doing today. As you can see, the doing thing is starting to become a lot of stuff. Same time we're doing code for starting up the night, finishing this guy's did I? Wait, I finished this guy's costumes. Okay, that's one less thing. So now it's back to 5. The reason I still have these guys, even though I've drawn all of their camera costumes, is because I need to do jump scares and implement. I know I have the jump scare animation for him, but I'm only gonna put it as finished once I actually make sure he can jump scare you. Like, see, I've made his jump scare. It's just I need to make it work. Make intro for game, as you already know. That's a work in progress. Continue button. Oh wait, no. I was thinking retry. Let me see. I've made it. Why is this here again? I'm gonna have to delete this. Archive, is that the? Yeah. And this guy's here again. Yeah. Oh, I've made jump scares optional already. Forgot about that. That was done a while ago. That was also done a while ago. Oh my god. I think by this I mean storage. Editor in the back left of the office. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's storage. Make a storage. Let me just reword it. Door. Now we just mainly have glow ups over here. Phone guy audio for night 1 is done, but I still need to add it in. So let me just do this thing because I haven't actually done it for any of the other ones. I need my friends to speak for it because there's going to be a different phone guy for each night. I'm going to be doing 1 in 4, but I want 3 of my friends to be able to be phone guy in oh yeah, the middle 3 nights. My brain is not working today. Alright, the most challenging part of making this virus thing. I've only programmed it for animatronics to move closer. I guess I can use a similar concept when making this thing work, but I don't know how to do that. Trying to figure this out because I want to do it once it's fully done downloading the virus for all of just this guy's head to pop up everywhere. I'll add that in later, but that's gonna be difficult. Not difficult, just time taking, which I don't want that to be today's whole video, so we're just gonna work on the coding part of this man right here. Oh dear. Yeah, okay. So I'm guessing I'll take this guy's thing, put this stuff over here. Not important right now. Okay, do I have a Mayusa AI? Yep. 40 and to like 50. Not 500, oh god. And then these are the parts where I don't really know what to do. I want to change this because I don't want viruses to happen way too often. Just often enough, you know? I made VIP go really slow, as you can tell. It's 100 to 120 now. That's like really slow. And that's like 3 times slower or 4 times slower than these two dudes. But that's because he has the least costumes, and I feel like if I made him just a bit slower, then he'd be like attacking at the same time as him or him, and it's just, I don't like that. So we're gonna keep it like that. See, this is the challenging part. The like brainy time. So we're gonna want it to send a virus to randomly to one of the cameras. Wait, should I make it send a virus to like cam 12? This, you won't understand why till later, but right now secretly I don't know if I should make it send a virus to cam 12. Nah, we're gonna make okay, so we're gonna make a virus variable. I think that'll work. And then we're gonna pick random 1 through 11. And then set virus, where is it? 1 through 11. And we're also gonna want to set virus to 0. Okay, so the reason I chose 1 through 11 is because that'll correspond to the camera numbers. We got cam 1, cam 2, all the way up to cam 12, but we're not going to try to make Mayuse send a virus to cam 12, because that's where he's at, and I can't spoil that now for you. So yeah. Let me think. There's a slight problem with this code. Let's say cam 5's already been infected and you can't use it anymore. With the code that I have right now for my USA, he's still gonna send a virus to cam 5. I need to think of a way to make them know that that camera's like glitched or broken. Could I just add like 11 different variables, like cam 1 broken, cam 2 broken? Just keep doing that. That'll work. But that's a lot of variables, man. Might as well get to it. And I'm gonna be naming it like this for the whole time. All the way up to 11. So give me a minute. We're on 9, 10, and the last one, 11. That is a lot of variables. Should I just put all of them to be set to 0 right here? Sure. Let's all just keep them in one place. Look at that. Takes up like a whole thing. And then we just start changing it. This is gonna be so hard to read. I just realized. Oh well. I'll get mad at myself later. There we go. And then just plop that in there. Yep. Alrighty. So now we're gonna set virus to pick random. Let's get rid of this stuff. Now we're gonna want to do something like if if virus equals like 1 or 1 and camera virus 1. Wait, let me just also equals 1, because if it's equal to 1 for any of the camera viruses, it means that it's already been broken. So yeah, wait, no, this has a certain problem as well. Let's say my Yusei is really fast at sending viruses. He could potentially send 2 at one camera. Like, will that mess it up? Like maybe if it's at 0, it means it's not infected. If it's 1, that means maybe it's getting infected, and then 2 means it's broken. Yeah, that seems like it would work. Okay, so cam1 virus or 2. If it's getting broken right now, or if it's already broken, then we make it do it again. And it's gonna have to keep doing this until it chooses a camera that's not broken. Wait, would I just copy and paste this for the other 10 cameras? Or would I have to do something? What if all cameras are... Oh, wait, never mind. I can't just break all cameras because I forgot, but if it breaks more than 6 cameras, then then it's just game over. I forgot about that. So we're just gonna virus equals 1, yeah. Oh, wait, no, I just need to change these. Yeah, my brainy part's no function-y. Then we just keep doing that. It's kind of trippy when you look at the variables, because look at this. Those 1, 2, 4. It doesn't show the like cam 3 thing because it was already set to cam 3 virus. And it just keeps messing with me. Like, see, now 4's gone. Oh, so basically, we just keep doing this till we reach 11. We're like over halfway through, so just stick with me. Game 8. I wanna, so you know how I was talking about having this guy's face pop all over once it's finished downloading? Well, I kind of wanted to make that the thumbnail, but if I don't do it in this video without explaining that I want it, well, let me think, because I still want that to be the thumbnail. I might do it after I finish recording, like make it show his face all over, so that'd be a kind of funny thumbnail. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do that. So, just for clarification on why that's the thumbnail and not the video, I just kind of wanted to explain why, so you're not left confused. And like just like that, I think that's what we needed. Yeah, that should be good now. Jesus. What happens if I press wait, let me restart maybe. What happens if I press proceed or start a game? What, any of these like change? Cause it should. It turns virus and picks. Oh. So, may or may not have just realized something. I made virus go through 1 through 11. Huh. Okay, so I think I first need to change all of these as well. Okay, then let me think about this. Now, if it's virus equals like 2 and camera virus equals 1 or camera virus equals 2, and this is if the virus has already infected or is infecting this camera. So I need to make it that it reads that it's like these need my brain isn't working. These need to show up, something like that. But for now, let's just see what happens with this code we got. I'm gonna plop it back in, press play, and we're gonna be playing this with like 12 variables on our screen. Just trying to see if this works. And I just realized a problem. Not really a problem, but something I forgot. I need to have the set AIs. So let me just disconnect this real quick. Do that. I think that's all I need. Bring it over here along with the other stuff. So many variables. And then set. Where is it? Okay. And this is just for all of them. I should probably add it to make a night 6. I forgot all about night 6s in FNAF games. Like, whoopsie daisies. Also, I want to make the Maise virus much slower. So we're probably just gonna do like just a slower increase. Maybe like 5, 8, 2.2, 2.2. No, oh god, no. 2.2, 2.5, and then just 3. Actually, no, 2.9. We're doing 2.9. Again, I don't want him to appear that quickly. Alrighty. So, now something should happen. Just like anything, please. His AI is on 2.9, so I think I still have it automatically set to night 5. Whoops. And now we wait for a minute and see if virus actually changes. Actually, what I could just do is make it happen pretty quickly. Real quick. Just for now. This is a reminder because I know I'm going to forget. Let's see if restarting it now will make it work. Work faster at least. We're just waiting till virus turns 1. That's all I want to see, if it just turns virus to 1. Or just any number, actually. Because it should be doing that. It should. Come on. Don't be shy. Oh, it's 7, it's 7, 7, 7. Okay, and then we'd head over to 7. It's waiting for cam virus to... Oh, now it's 8. It's working. I just need to make these show up. And I think I just died to someone. Oh yeah, I put that back. Oops. Alrighty. Now let me think. We're gonna want like this. Wait, am I even looking at the right thing? Let me put this right next to the other Maise stuff. We've also got a loading bar. I had a little idea with this thing. So, you know, as it starts downloading, you can tell by the white. Can't see it well though, right now. Once it's near the end, let me just skip through. It starts glitching out. I just really liked that idea. But you can still see it sort of progressing. And then boop, it's done, and you just got a virus. So there's that. Why is this here? I don't know. We're just gonna put that same thing over here. We should probably not have it set to this. We should listen to the coordinates. Okay, so let's look at it like this. We're gonna want this to be, this should be 0, first of all. So we're gonna want this to be 20 pixels below the center of this thing, and we're gonna want this to be 60 pixels below the center of this thing. That's how we keep track of where that stuff's supposed to go. Now probably gonna add a forever, and let me think. Wait, let me do this in the actual thing right over here. Forever if virus are we gonna have to do this for each of the 11 cameras? That's not fun. If virus equals 1, then wait, no, and the camera you're looking at, because we only want this to show up if you're looking at that camera. And camera, wait, I can just do this, yeah. And camera equals 1. Let me think. Would that work? Because there's still the thing of when there's the possibility that it chooses that camera again, or if it breaks. Oh yeah. And maybe another and, not, or. There's a lot of operators right now. Where'd the other not go? Not, came virus. Okay, let me just change these to that. Okay, now let me think of this. If virus equals 1 and you're looking at that camera and it's not already in the process of being like downloading and it's not already broken, then like show. We're just building it out right now. I kind of want it to be, it like teleports to random parts of the screen. Somewhere like the left section so it doesn't cover the map. So maybe go to, and then pick random between negative 200. Wait, I need the trusty dot. And then you just put it to the front layer and then bring it to negative 200. Need to see how far that is. Move these things. I know, negative. I think we're gonna have to go a bit farther away from the edge. How about negative 170? We test how far negative 170 is with this. I want the virus to look large, like the pop-up. So we don't want it to be like out of bounds. Maybe, yeah, like a rectangle like that. And then I just set like the size to be smaller in a minute. That sounds good. So, and then to like 0. Shouldn't it be the other way around? Because 0 is a bigger number than negative 150. Yeah, let's just do that just to be safe. And then we have something similar. I wanted to be in this like right. Crap. So I just clearly did an oopsie. Where's the proceed button? Front layer quickly. Did I break too many things? It doesn't seem like it. Okay, we're all good. Now we're gonna want to see what's the outermost edge I'm willing to put the virus at. We're gonna try negative 70. See where that's at. Wait. Negative 90. Negative 100. Negative 100 looks fine. Okay, so negative 100 to 100. Let's just see 100 real quick. Oh. Maybe like 120. But then I want to see negative 100 again because I want it to be like sort of symmetrical. Okay, now let's see 120. I did it again. I'm just gonna put them all over here to the top right where they can't bug me. Now to proceed to the front layer again, and then also this. Yeah, that looks good. What's negative 120 look like again? Yeah. I'm good with that. So we're gonna make this negative 120 as well. And so go like this. And then set, I believe I would set cam1 virus to 1. No, that was, okay. So there's two different things. We're gonna want to make the virus show up when it's in the cameras, but either way, we still need to set cam1 virus to 1. Oh, an alarm just rang. That got me. I need to think. Do I just do two different if statements? Let me start putting things over here. I think I need if else. So then I can add for like virus 2, cam1, stuff like that. Uh, this is confusing. I think we just set this outside and do set cam. Wait, no. It, I think we just do like if virus equals 1, and then set cam virus 1, cam 1 virus 2 1. Will that work? Let's just start doing that. And in a second, I need to check a Discord notification because someone's pinging me. And then 3 more. 9, 10, and 11. And then I need to change the variables. Wait. Oh. Big oopsie right there. 9, 10, 11. And check what that ping is about. That was just someone saying hi. Not even at me. Wow. Alright. Now let me put that in there. It's a tower. Jesus. Now to use my brainy powers. Virus equals 2. And camera is also 2. And then change these. And then I do that again. And again. This is gonna get very boring very quickly. Watch, I'm gonna misclick the tiniest little thing, and then there's gonna be a bug that I noticed later, and it's gonna annoy me for like multiple hours till I realize it's this small little thing. I'm gonna get like really upset if that actually happens. So I should probably be careful, but I'm just rushing through it. Scratch is a very limiting game engine. Even if I try to import it into Game Jolt, that it's still gonna be sourced from the same limited game engine. So I really need to learn Unity or ClickTeam, like how to do all that stuff later in life. For now, I'm making a poorly designed Scratch game for bored people to hopefully play and watch my videos about it. Oh, double digits, and I'm still misclicking everything. Oh, last one. Alrighty. Now with that last else, I think it's just hide. Yeah. And now we've got a beast of a lot of variable code that we're just gonna plop on in. Look at that. Wow. Okay. Now what? The answer to that is no idea. So I'm just gonna click this and see if anything works. Oh wait, I should probably move stuff again. I want to put it in order. show me the normal. Okay, virus right here. Boop. Right here. Force 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I still need to set the size for the virus to be small enough. 8, 9, 10, and 11. But I'll do that in a minute. Alrighty. Let's see how this goes. We just casually wait for a virus. Because that's how real life works. Should probably head on the cameras. I'll do them once I see a virus pops up. I'm getting ready. Come on. It's at 11. Run. Oh god. Let's get away from that. It's at 3 now. Oh no, what have I done? It's going crazy. Look at the numbers. Oh jeez, no. That wasn't supposed to happen. Oh no. Alright, well, that was a much needed laugh. Alright, I already think I have an idea how to fix that, but I just need to think for a second to see if that would actually work. If virus equal went into the good. Yeah, English. I know. We're gonna want to set like a the first time visiting camera, and so it doesn't, and then add if camera first time visiting this camera with the virus the 0, then it's gonna show up. If it's 1, then it shouldn't be going crazy. Hopefully. Yeah, that might work. Just might. Or I have an idea, just a slightly more compact idea. If first time entering camera. Wait, would I have to do that for another 11 cameras again? Oh my. I was gonna name this episode My USA Mayhem, maybe like add titles to the videos. Like this would be My USA Mayhem, but now it's variable variable overload would be a good one. Cause I've added like I'm about to add like another 11 plus the virus. Like, jeez, how many? Let me think. Now what I have to do is, could I just make one variable for checking if they're all the first time? How about first time entering virus camera or cam? Very specific, very specific, as you can tell. We're just gonna leave that at the bottom. Alright, now that we got first time entering virus cam, we're gonna go over here, set that to, where would that be at? It'd be, okay, yeah. How to make every word capital, because you know how I am. We're gonna set that to, shouldn't we set that to 1? So, and now for all of these, I need to add and then 1 for that. Yeah. I'm going to lose it. First time entering virus cam. Would it look something like that? Oh, wait, no. I could just do... This was my original idea. That's why I had the if out. First time entering virus cam equal 1. Then we make it go somewhere. That should work. Because either way, it's going to show. It just won't be teleporting every single second. So now we have to set like first time. Where is it? Oh yeah. I know I need to get the set block. Then we set that to 0, and then it should do that. Should work. But then what about the other cameras? See, that's the issue. Oh, I have an idea. We're just gonna set... Wait, would that work? If I set, like, virus equal to 1, if virus is 1, and then it sets cam virus 1 to 1, very confusing. Can I also make it set first time entering virus cam 1? Would that work? Yeah, I don't know. Would it be constantly setting this? Then, this is quite a predicament. Very confused. Where can I set it to, like... If first time entering virus cam 0, then can I just set it to 1? But then always it's gonna be 1. That wouldn't work. Would I need another counter? Like, just checking. Because we don't want it to be constantly setting first time entering virus cam to 1. What that? God, the variables are getting to me. No. Okay, I got a theory. So, what if I made it set 1 to each of these? Set first time entering virus cam to 1 for all of these. But we make another counter first time getting virus. I don't know what to name this one. And then we set that to 1. And wait, if we set that to 1. Maybe there's just a really simple way to do this that I just don't see. That's probably it. Sheesh. I think I've hit a dead end of brain thinking. Huh. How about we see how this goes? Wait, no, no, I don't think so. I got a terrible idea that might work. If none of these are true, we make it hide, but we also set this thingy to 1 over there. That might work. Might. So let's put that over there. Then just, I guess, test this out. Do all of these have the same thing, right? Yeah. So, wait, let me just delete this on all of them. And then just start pasting this into every single one. Alright, I don't know if this is gonna work. This is a lot of junk. Just a lot of junk. It's showing that it's the first time entering virus scam. Even though the virus hasn't been set yet, but we'll just see if it works. We just need the virus to change real quickly. Just waiting on it. Come on, don't be shy. Do it. Just do it. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's 7. Okay, so clearly it's choosing its random location. And it just chose to go to 10, and it should have... So I may or may not have made a... Well, I fixed the problem that I was trying to fix. But there's another problem. It leaves for any camera. It can only be in one at a time. That's not ideal, I think. Do these all have to be just if statements? I think so. Wait, no. All of them still need to be if else statements. But I think all of them need to have this. Would that work? I don't think so. But I still want to test it. Just out of curiosity of what might happen. Come on, please work. Be nice to me. Please. I believe it'll work. No, I don't. I just lied. But we'll see. Not to connect all of this. Put it in there. Right. And now we put it in there. Alright. Let's see. I don't think it's gonna work. I think it's just gonna appear off and on. It's gonna be like really glitchy. Just keeping appearing. Just keeps appearing, you know? Goes, it hides and then shows. But I guess we'll see. How long have I been recording for? It's already been an hour? What? Dang. Huh. That's pretty insane. So now the virus is just completely gone. It's not showing. So it wouldn't just appear off and on. It just wouldn't appear at all. That's no bueno, clearly. I still can't believe I've already done an hour of this. These videos are getting way too long. Am I doing a two-parter? Trying to think if I should. We're already on an hour and 2. This video is gonna take so long to render to 4K quality. Do I just click record in a second? Okay. Let me think. Okay, guys. This is gonna be part 1 of the 2-parter, maybe even 3-parter. I don't know, of today's devlog or whatever. I'm gonna click stop recording now, but in a few seconds I'll click recording again. So now I just have to see you guys in a few seconds.